Wind picks up dust, salt, and microscopic particles from the surface, sending them into the atmosphere. These particles act as cloud condensation nuclei, essential for cloud formation. Without these tiny particles, water vapor would struggle to condense into droplets, delaying rain formation. These nuclei are minute solid and liquid particles found in abundance in the atmosphere, such as smoke from fires or volcanoes, ocean spray, or tiny specks of wind-blown soil. They are hygroscopic, meaning they attract water molecules, and are about 1/100th the size of a cloud droplet upon which water condenses. This means that every cloud droplet has a speck of dirt, dust, or salt crystal at its core. The water cycle, cloud condensation, and wind-driven fertilization are all essential for life on Earth.